Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Oxydol powder is probably one of the most iconic and trusted laundry detergents on the market, renowned for its powerful cleaning action that tackles tough stains and leaves clothes brilliantly fresh, making it a go-to choice for households seeking a reliable and effective solution for their everyday laundry needs. Number 5. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets Fresh Scent. Discover a revolutionary way to do laundry. Earth Breeze offers a powerful clean without the plastic jug. These innovative sheets are designed to tackle tough stains and odors effectively. They provide a fresh scent for your clothes. Experience a gentle yet effective clean. Our formula is kind to your skin while still powerful against dirt. Forget bulky bottles. These compact sheets are travel-friendly and perfect for any washing machine, hot or cold cycles. Each package provides 60 loads of powerful, eco-friendly cleaning. Enjoy a fresh scent with every wash. Embrace the future of laundry with our liquidless soap sheets. It's a simple, effective, and eco-conscious choice. What we like? Looking for a sustainable laundry solution? These sheets are completely liquidless and eco-friendly, reducing plastic waste. If you're always on the go or want to minimize your environmental impact, this is the perfect choice for convenient and conscious cleaning. What people say. They dissolve well. I have used them on small loads with delicate items on cold often and have no issues. Pleasantly surprised. These work great. When I pulled out the first sheet I thought there's no way this little piece of paper is going to clean my clothes. I live on a ranch. I get dirty. Not overly scented after a wash, my clothes smell clean and are clean. I am extremely impressed with how easily the sheets dissolve, though best to do that before adding clothes. We found it worked best for us to use a full sheet, swish the clothes around for a bit and let them soak for at least 30 minutes. A partial sheet and or just a swish and rinse wasn't quite enough. That said, the clothes we washed didn't have a heavy scent at all, just clean and fresh. Number 4. OxiClean White Revive Laundry Whitener. Tired of dingy whites? Discover a powerful solution that revitalizes your laundry. It's the perfect alternative to harsh bleach, bringing back the brilliance to your fabrics. Don't let stains win. This innovative powder tackles tough stains, lifting them away without damaging your clothes. Enjoy pristine garments, load after load. Experience the best of both worlds. It's tough on stains and discoloration but gentle on your fabrics. Keep your whites looking their best, wash after wash. Looking for a safer way to whiten? This is your answer. It provides exceptional whitening power without the damaging effects of traditional bleach. Give your clothes a new lease on life. This powerful formula works to restore the brightness and vibrancy of your whites. See the difference for yourself. Achieving brighter whites has never been easier. Simply add it to your regular wash for a noticeable improvement. It's the simple step to a whiter wardrobe. What we like? Want your whites to look their best? This powder is designed to revive and whiten fabrics without harsh bleach. If you struggle with dingy whites or tough stains on light-colored clothing, this is your go-to for a brighter, cleaner look. What people say. The powder dissolves easily and didn't leave any residue or stickiness on the clothes or in the washer. Everything smelled clean with a light freshness, not an overpowering scent. Works better than bleach, without ruining your clothes. Removes deodorant buildup. Brightens whites without damage. Works on older stains. Easy soak method. Better results than bleach. The powder lifts stubborn stains and restores whites to their sparkling best. Even the dullest, most tired fabrics seem to perk up and smile, ready for another day of fun and play. Leaving no residue behind, just brilliantly clean, soft, and fresh-smelling laundry. Number 3. 7th Generation Free and Clear Laundry Packs. Introducing 7th Generation's Free and Clear Laundry Packs. Experience a powerful clean that's gentle on your fabrics and skin. Our formula is designed to be free of fragrances and dyes. This makes it a great choice for those with sensitive skin. Harnessing the power of plant-based ingredients, these packs effectively tackle tough stains. Get a brilliant clean with every wash. Simplify your laundry routine with our convenient packs. Just toss one in and let it do the work for you. Each package provides 90 loads of exceptional cleaning power. That's plenty to keep your family's clothes fresh and clean. Choose a detergent that's better for your home and the planet. We are committed to sustainability in every step. What we like? Need a detergent that's gentle on sensitive skin? These packs are free of dyes and fragrances, making them a great choice for those with allergies or sensitivities. If you prioritize a clean that's effective yet mild for your family, these are an excellent option. What people say. These detergent packs are hypoallergenic and free from fragrances and dyes, making them ideal for sensitive skin. Despite being gentle, they tackle everyday stains efficiently. Our clothes come out clean and fresh without any residue. 7th generation free and clear cleans just as well but without the aggressive smell. I love that they're gentle, fragrance-free, and still leave my laundry feeling fresh and clean. Number 2. Tide Mountain Spring Powder Detergent. Introducing Tide Mountain Spring Powder Laundry Detergent. Experience the refreshing scent of a mountain spring with every wash. This powerful formula is designed to tackle tough stains and leave your clothes brilliantly clean. It provides enough detergent for up to 68 loads of laundry. Each 95-ounce container ensures you have plenty of detergent on hand. Enjoy long-lasting freshness and effective cleaning for your entire family's wardrobe. Let the invigorating scent of mountain spring transform your laundry routine. It leaves your fabrics smelling as clean as they look. Choose Tide for a superior clean you can trust. It's the perfect solution for keeping your clothes fresh and vibrant, load after load. What we like? Seeking a reliable everyday detergent? This powder offers powerful cleaning action with a refreshing scent to keep your clothes smelling great. If you're looking for a trusted brand that delivers consistent results for a standard load size, this is a solid pick. What people say. It dissolves well in the water. It leaves no residue on the chairs or haze, which I had when I tried a different cleaner that will remain nameless. Several years ago when I bought my brand new Maytag, our plumber came over to install it. He gave me some excellent advice. Always use powder, not liquid, detergent, liquids, he said, do a number on the rubber mechanisms of a washer, and he recommended Tide. I've never had any problems with the washer, nothing, nada. Absolutely perfect performance. Nothing smelling or weird in the washing machine. And my clothes have been cleaner and brighter than with any detergent I've ever used. Every single stain comes out, no matter how long it's been sitting. Everything comes out perfect and smelling great, and the powder dissolves even in cold water. I take care of a sick relative and even heavily soiled clothing comes out fresh. Number 1. Tide Powder Laundry Detergent, Mountain Spring. Introducing Tide Powder Laundry Detergent. Experience the power of clean with every wash. Enjoy the refreshing mountain spring scent that leaves your clothes smelling great. This powerful formula provides 125 loads of exceptional cleaning performance. With a large 143-ounce size, you'll have plenty for all your laundry needs. It's designed to tackle tough stains and leave your fabrics looking their best. Trust in Tide to deliver a superior clean and lasting freshness for your family's clothes. What we like? Doing a lot of laundry? This larger size offers excellent value and convenience, ensuring you won't run out quickly. If you have a busy household or simply want to stock up and save, this is the most economical choice for maintaining fresh, clean clothes. What people say. It does a great job cleaning our clothes. Dissolves well in cold water. A small amount is enough to get clothes really clean, and one box lasts me about 2 to 4 months. This detergent excels in removing even the toughest stains. Whether it's grease, dirt, or food stains, Tide Powder gets the job done efficiently. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.